Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Marketing with Meg. For the best marketing and content creation tips, make sure that you hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification so that you are notified every time I post a video every Tuesday and Thursday. Today we are covering local hashtags for Instagram and how you can use and find local hashtags to build your brand and grow your company and get more eyes on your feed. So Instagram hashtags, I feel like business owners either love them or they hate them. There's so many different resources we're being told, like how many hashtags we should be using, where we should put the hashtags, should we put them in the post or should we put them in a comment below? Should we be only including a couple hashtags in the post, or should we include all the hashtags in the post? Or it's just confusing sometimes, and even it confuses me. So today I want to break it all down to show you how you can use and find local hashtags to implement on your posts and then grow your brand in your local community. By finding the best local hashtags for your company, you can ensure that more local eyes are getting on your feed, which means hopefully more local feet are coming through your business's front door. Now, before we get into it, I'm going to answer what exactly is a hashtag. Well, hashtag is a searchable term that you can tack on to the caption of your post. People can search for these tags, so essentially it can bring more eyes to your content. By using the correct type of hashtag, you can really zero in and bring your ideal client right to your feed because you're using hashtags that you know that they like, that you know that they are already searching for. Now this leads me into my first point, which is niche it down. As always, you want to niche down your hashtags. You want to be using hashtags that have 500,000 uses or less. If not, you're going to be competing with way too many other people who are using that same hashtag. People aren't going to see your content and you're kind of just wasting the use of a hashtag. Now, when it comes to hashtags, you want to use highly relevant hashtags that your audience uses or your audience views, and you want to make sure that they do not have a very, very dense pool that you'll be competing with. Our Instagram account, and let's say for example we're an esthetician who just posted a picture with someone after they got dermal fillers. So we want to find the correct hashtags to use. So say we type in fillers. So the actual hashtag for fillers has 1.6 million uses, which is way too high. You're going to be competing with way too many people. So I would recommend not using something like that. What you want to do is you want to break it down. So say for example you live in Houston. So then you're going to just put Houston fillers as an example. And as you can see here, lip fillers Houston. If you did lips, you could easily use that hashtag because it only has 500 plus posts. Houston fillers has 1,000 plus posts. You see? So that would be a great secondary option. Now going back, there's actually another tool you can use to find hashtags. So we'll go back to the original fillers. And it's right here. It's this related. As you can see below the follow button here, this related. And these are hashtags that are related to fillers. So you can use this for a hashtag inspiration as well. As you can see, the first related hashtag is dermal fillers. Again, that still has 812,000 uses, which is pretty dense, pretty competitive. But if you were to go back and use dermal fillers, but put Houston, so your location, there, fewer than 1,000 posts. So you have a greater chance of being found by someone in Houston looking for fillers if you were to use Houston dermal fillers instead of just fillers or dermal fillers. Okay, so now that we know how to find the hashtag density as well as how to use the related tags post to your benefit, I want to know, do you love hashtags or do you hate them? Do you use them in your practice? Let me know a bit more about your relationship with the hashtag. Leave a comment below and we can start a little conversation about this. As always, if you need more inspiration, there's so many other places you can go. One of my favorite is to search other competitors in your industry, competitors that already have a strong local following, and then see the hashtags that they're using to grow. But if they have already grown and they have a very large following, they may not be using as many hashtags as they were in the past. So a little tip is to scroll down their feed. So scroll down your competitor's feed to when they were first starting out and take a look at the hashtags that they used to grow, because you know they already have a large following now. So you know that those hashtags are most likely a good idea to include in your hashtag strategy moving forward. Now, once you have all your hashtags, a little tip I use is I create a note on my phone with all the hashtags that I'll use. It's just easier. So when you're posting a post to Instagram, once you've posted it, you can go to that note on your phone, you can copy and paste the hashtags that you want to use, and then easily paste them into the caption or the comment section of the Instagram post that you just published. Well, there you have it. Now you know how to niche down and find locally relevant hashtags to grow your brand online. Now, if you are still looking for support, check out the link in the description for my Own It group, which is a monthly content membership. Right now it's just $20 a month, and you get a monthly content calendar filled with ideas, one idea for every single day of the month, as well as an online community to provide you with that accountability that you need to keep going during this growth stage of establishing your brand from either just an idea or a small following to a larger following, and of course business success. Now that you know how to use Instagram hashtags to your advantage, check out this video here, which highlights the bad Instagram advice that I have seen on a daily basis. I debunk it all so that you can move forward in your Instagram marketing strategy and know that you are not doing anything that will hinder the growth of your brand online. Again, I hope you liked this video. If you found value in it or you liked it, just give it a thumbs up so I can know that this is highly relevant content to you. And please don't hesitate to share it with any team members or friends who you feel might find value in the video. Until then, I will see you guys all in my next video, and I hope you all have a great week.